I do something silly like that, you laugh hysterically.
That is his what do you call that? For his iPad. Huh?
I'm hoping it's the
iPad case.
keyboard case for an iPad.
Oh, whoa. Yeah, that is. Yeah, it's a keyboard case. Wow, it looks.
Oh, and I forgot about the screen protector.
Whoa, you also bought the screen protector? Let's install it. Keyboard case. Box your keyboard case. Keyboard case. Oh, they're open. This should be in the. Okay. Whoa! Thank you. User's manual and what is this? What do you call this one? I don't know what is this. Let me check. Oh, this is for the. So that it will not going to hit your screen.
Your iPad is. Oh, it's taking up. It's saying if your iPad is loose, it's.
Oh, okay.
It takes up space.
Okay. And it's this one. Same bookcase. And just have it there. Oops, careful. And you have to open it right here. Okay. There. Oops. Oh, something right here? No, it's not. Okay. Thank you, lights, colors, shortcuts. Do you prefer using a keyboard or just iPad?
I don't know. I haven't tried it yet, either way yet.
Okay. This one is under. Okay.
I wonder what keeps it in.
No, I think you have to insert this one first because there's a button there. Here. Oh, you like that? Yes. Okay, there. You have to press it. Okay, there you go. You got it, baby. Wow, that's so nice. With Trolls unboxing with his keyboard case and screen protector. Slim book. What are we going to do next?
Tickles.
It's time to open presents.
It's time for tickles.
Tickles?
Yes. Lots of tickles.
Presents. Ang dilim ng bahay. It's cloudy outside. Look at the Christmas tree. Let's check the lights if it's getting hot. No, it doesn't get hot. See? That's why we opened it 24/7. It doesn't get overheat. Wait for the cookies. That is your cookies. What's this?
They're awful.
Huh?
They're awful.
We didn't taste it then. One is for your birthday and one is for Christmas. This is for mine. Ooh, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. It's one of your collection.
Ronald Coleman.
Your brother really knows what you like.
I love Ronald Coleman. Lost Horizon. My favorite movie was Ronald Coleman.
It's just so sad we are not able to give his present.
I sent him an email and told him that it was coming.
Oh. You're not going to send that?
It would cost an arm and a leg. So what I did was, I had something else that I was going to thinking about getting it later. So I just went ahead and bought it, and then I'll ship it to you.
What is this? It's a sweater. Wow, so pretty.
It's a shrimpish sweater?
Yeah, I like it. I love sweaters.
What size is it?
Extra small.
That's a nice looking sweater.
Yeah, I like it.
It's like a warmer sweater too, right?
Yeah.
Extra small, yeah.
It's nice. I love collecting a lot of sweaters. I don't know, this one has no names. I think.
Lance and Julie. I'm not sorry. It's from all that bag was from Natasha and Jeremy.
Yeah. And I think all of them is for me.
I don't think so.
What is this? Wow, they love to give me something for cool weather. I don't know, I think this is mine, right?
This one not mine.
Yeah, but they call this a coal.
It's a scarf or a scarf. Looks like a scarf.
I don't know. I think it's shawl and scarf thing.
No, the scarf goes around your neck.
Oh, okay. So this is
And then you wrap it.
like this.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Wow. I love it.
Lost in space. Oh,
Wow, they're all pretty. What is
Errol
this?
Flynn.
That's a comics?
That's a comic from a television series that came out in 1967, 68, something like that.
Wow.
Errol Flynn.
My goodness. Wow.
I love Errol Flynn.
Because they have a lot of like this. I think you're going to open. I don't know. I think maybe this is for you because I already opened the blue one for me. Maybe the other one is for you. I don't know. This one is for me or for you.
It's for you.
Okay.
It's not colored that I wear.
Okay. Because they are the same size with this, so maybe I don't know.
Starbucks.
Oh, it's so cute.
In fact, I actually saw those
Oh, really?
at the Starbucks the other day. I started to buy them.
Oh, because they know that you love Starbucks. Or behind this person. Oh, it's coffee. This is the one that is from Costa Rica. So they bought your coffee from Costa Rica, I think.
Really?
Is this from Costa Rica? I think this is the coffee she's talking about.
Looks interesting.
This one I knew this already. I don't know what is this.
Probably another mug.
No, I don't know what is this. She told me about it. This is an oil. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, okay.
This is like a diffuser.
Yeah, it is. She said it helps a lot with sinus.
I'll try anything.
Oh, wow, that is perfect. They gave us coffee and there's already mug.
Yep.
So if you make this coffee, the very first mug you're going to use is this one. This diffuser is so cute. This one.